Tell, but like my feet are gone. Half my leg is gone. These mounds of snow are insane.
I just saw like cinnamon, gingerbread, like some other shit. More words and words, and I was like,
yes.
Any sphere?
Ooh. Woman who holds the schmear. Okay.
But it was Oh, this is strong.
This is so hibiscusy.
Really?
Yeah, it tastes like the Starbucks refresher.
I can taste the alcohol in this, which is nice.
That's
That's,
pretty
that's what he
nice.
said. He said you're gonna get alcohol out of this, and
It's
you're
right in
not
my face.
disappointed. Cheers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah,
this
that's
is very
rum.
nice.
That's a
This
rum
is
to
very
the
nice.
face. Holy
This is
shit.
like, it might be dangerous though because we can't taste it. This is 10 out of 10, guys.
Wow. Good morning. It's 1 p.m. Wait, I really like this one.
I like both.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're really well crafted. Bro, eating the whole lime like that?
There's a nice kick. What is this again? No, but they are stingy. And like, even in Europe, appetizers, 2 drinks, like. Do you want to do us the favor of
Cutting?